Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MudAI token. Ticker symbol is MudAI, all one word. This token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing May 29th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the MudAI token. So their official webpage, their official Twitter, their x.com, is at MudAI_metaverse. Now I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there as usual. You can see on their Twitter there, they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They have blog articles, Discord, chat group, Telegram announcement channel, community Telegram, you name it, all on that link tree there. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting exactly May 29th, 9 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MudAI when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their roadmap you can find on their webpage, mudai.info. And it says they're starting with the MudAI getting listed on central exchanges. So here we are. Development of core technology, initial market research and analysis, deployment of marketing and promotion strategies, development of mobile and desktop application, beta release of the platform, analysis and improvement of user feedback, optimization of user interfaces, release the mobile application, token economy, access program, new features and updates, questions and feedback. Then we got hosting local events and meetups, improvement of user experience and interfaces, implementation of incentive programs, new features through participation, partnerships and integrations, hosting global community events and hackathons, providing entertainment content in the metaverse, launching a virtual currency trading platform within the metaverse, introduction of governance and community voting mechanisms, expansion of virtual spaces within the metaverse, expansion of and improvement of the infrastructure, providing APIs and tools for developers, growth of the ecosystem and support of developer communities, launching an education and support program, establish a sustainable revenue model, growth and sustainability, improvement of the virtual economy within the metaverse. So as you can see by their roadmap, there's a lot of metaverse stuff here. And their webpage has a link to their application. If you go to mudai.info, they also have their socials that I mentioned earlier that are on the link tree right there as well. Little team info on there as well. So MudAI users will be able to create your own pseudo personality using artificial intelligence. Set up house communities using DAO-based rules. A pseudo personality participates in the Web3 ecosystem, GameFi, NFTs, etc. On behalf of the user, customize your own AI users within the MudAI ecosystem. And you can, so you can create a profile, customize and obtain your own personality created by blockchain using artificial intelligence. Form your own universe. And then it says, create multiple pseudo personalities using AI and participate in Web3 ecosystem on your behalf. The AI that replaces you will shape society. Social activities conducted by AI eventually create an economy, and users will have more free time. Then, AI will be your best assistant. So customize your AI to become your best assistant. Multiple assistants make your Web3 life more comfortable. Now, there's going to be updates regularly. You can get all the daily MudAI updates straight from the MudAI official releases. So the tokenomics are on here. So it's a cross-chain token. So basically, if Gate is not available in your country, or you just don't want to use a central exchange, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It says BSC, Binance Smart Chain, Syscoin, Solana, Aster, and KCC. So it's a cross-chain token across 6 different chains, maybe more to come in the future. It says total supply 100 billion tokens. So if it's not available in your country, if you don't want to use Gate for whatever reason, you can get this token, like say the Binance Smart Chain one, you'd be able to get on PancakeSwap. The Solana one, you'd be able to get on Radium or Jupiter. Ethereum one, Uniswap, etc. So there's going to be DEXs where you're going to be able to get the use the contract address. And there is a white paper also linked on their webpage, and they're also going to have different contract addresses on different listing sites like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, those types of sites where you can find contract addresses, and also like DEX Tools, DEX Screener, that type of thing as well. And so how the token is split up, basically 65% of the tokens go to the MudAI ecosystem, 10.37% go to founders and team, 8% partnerships, 5.5% community, 5% marketing, 5% liquidity and listings, 1% private round, 0.13% goes to the seed round, etc. And so then the roadmaps at the very bottom of their page, then some team information. They have a LinkedIn address to the CEO. Hopefully he's doxed on there. So technology comes from Python, AWS, Unreal Engine, etc. Tons of other partners on here as well. Looks like KuCoin. They might be getting a KuCoin listing soon as well. All sorts of different chains. They've been featured in Benzinga, MarketWatch, Yahoo Finance. You can contact them and subscribe to a newsletter at the bottom of their page. Now their white paper, I just opened it up. It is 56 pages long. So if you want to read about this project for a long time, you could read their entire 56-page white paper. But go check it all out. All the links are in that link tree right there on the Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.